In a zoo, the ratio of lions to tigers is 3:5. If there are 15 tigers, how many lions are there? Is it A, 6, B, 12, C, 9, or D, 8? Welcome to Nova Mathics! Today we'll explore ratios, from simple comparisons to fractions and percentages. Get ready to learn and have fun! In a basket, there are 8 apples and 12 oranges. What is the simplified ratio of apples to oranges? Eight divided by 4 is 2, and 12 divided by 4 is 3. So 2 to 3. 2. Which ratio is equivalent to 3 to 4? Multiply by 2, 3, or 4 to get 6 to 8, 9 to 12, or 12 to 16. 3. A class has 15 boys and 10 girls. What is the simplified ratio of boys to girls? Divided by 5 equals 3. 10 divided by 5 equals 2. 4. A recipe uses 18 cups of water and 24 cups of juice. What is the simplified ratio? Divide by 6. 18 divided by 6 equals 3. 24 divided by 6 equals 4. 5. In a group, there are 14 cats and 21 dogs. What is the simplified ratio? Divide by 7. 14 divided by 7 equals 2. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 6. Simplify the ratio 8 to 12. Divide 8 and 12 by 4. That gives 2 to 3. 7. If the ratio of boys to girls is 3 to 2 and there are 15 boys, how many girls are there? Three parts match 15 boys. 3 times 5 equals 15. So 2 times 5 is 10 girls. 8. Which ratio is equivalent to 4 to 5? Multiply 4 and 5 by 2 to keep the same ratio. 8 to 10. 9. If the ratio of flour to sugar is 5 to 2 and you have 20 cups of flour, how many cups of sugar do you need? Five parts of flour are 20 cups. 5 times 4 equals 20, so 2 times 4 is 8 cups of sugar. 10. Simplify the ratio 21 to 14. Divide both by 7 to get 3 to 2. 11. Which ratio represents the fraction 3/5 as part to whole? 3 parts out of 5 total makes the ratio 3 to 5. 12. If the ratio of cats to dogs is 7 to 3 and there are 21 cats, how many dogs are there? 7 times 3 equals 21 cats. So 3 times 3 equals 9 dogs. 13. Simplify the ratio 16 to 24. Divide by 8 to get 2 to 3. 14. Which ratio is equivalent to 3 to 4? Multiplying by 2 or 3 gives 6 to 8 or 9 to 12. 15. In a classroom, the ratio of pencils to erasers is 9 to 6. What is the ratio in simplest form? Divide 9 and 6 by 3 to make it smaller. 9 becomes 3, 6 becomes 2, so the ratio is 3 to 2. 16. If the ratio of apples to oranges is 4 to 3 and there are 12 apples, how many oranges are there? 4 times of what equals 12? That's 3. So multiply 3 times 3 equals 9 oranges. 17. Which ratio is equivalent to 2 to 3? Multiply by 2 or 3 to get 4 to 6 or 6 to 9. 18. Simplify the ratio 14 to 49. Divide both by 7 to get 2 to 7. 19. In a zoo, the ratio of lions to tigers is 3 to 5. If there are 15 tigers, how many lions are there? 5 times 3 equals 15 tigers, so 3 times 3 equals 9 lions. 20. Simplify the ratio 18 to 24. Divide by 6 to get 3 to 4. 21. If the ratio of cups of rice to water is 3 to 2 and there are 18 cups of rice, how many cups of water? 3 times 6 equals 18 cups rice. So 2 times 6 equals 12 cups water. 22. Simplify the ratio 24 to 32. Divide by 8 to get 3 to 4. 23. If the ratio of girls to boys in a class is 2 to 3 and there are 12 girls, how many boys are there? 2 parts are 12 girls. 2 times 6 equals 12. So 3 times 6 equals 18 boys. 24. Simplify the ratio 45 to 60. Divide by 15 to get 3 to 4. 25. If the ratio of blue marbles to red marbles is 5 to 2, and there are 25 blue marbles, how many red marbles are there? Five times 5 equals 25, so 2 times 5 equals 10. 26. Simplify the ratio 35 to 49. Divide both numbers by 7 to get 5 to 7. 27. Simplify the ratio 27 to 63. Divide by 9 to get 3 to 7. 28. In a school, the ratio of teachers to students is 1 to 15. If there are 60 students, how many teachers are there? 15 times 4 equals 60, so there are 4 teachers. 29. Which ratio is equivalent to 3 to 8? Multiply by 2 or 3 to get equivalent ratios. 30. Simplify the ratio 20 to 36. Divide by 4 to get 5 to 9. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun math lessons. See you in the next one.